Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and I'm here with my wife, Carrie. And in this video, we're going to be making for you some banana pudding. And she's already cutting up the bananas right here, if you can see them. We have some whipped cream, we have some whole milk, we have some vanilla wafers, some vanilla pudding, and of course the bananas.
Okay, so I have 5 bananas cut up in this bowl, and I sprinkled some lemon juice all over it to prevent browning. And so I'll set those aside. Now I'm about to make 3 boxes of instant vanilla pudding. You'll need 2 cups of milk for each box. And after I make the pudding, I'm going to set it in a refrigerator to set for just about 5 minutes. And this is instant pudding from Aldi's, Baker's Corner Vanilla. You can also use banana flavored instant pudding as well. That gives it a more intense flavor, but we couldn't find banana instant pudding, so.
Yeah, and it doesn't matter the brand.
Yeah. And I'm using whole milk. I like to use whole milk because it makes the pudding set better. Okay. So this is 3 boxes of pudding mix. So I'm going to be putting in 6 cups of milk. So that's 1, 2, so this is a half a gallon, so you know this is how much I have left after 6 cups. Put that back in the refrigerator. Okay, so I'm just gonna whisk it until it gets a little thick, and then I'm just gonna place it in the refrigerator to set for 5 minutes. Just want to make sure you get all of the clumps out so it can be nice and smooth. So it's starting to thicken as I'm stirring it. I just want to make sure all of the granules have been dissolved. Thickening already. So I'm gonna let that sit for 5 minutes in the refrigerator. Okay, so we're about to start assembling our banana pudding, super easy. This is our bowl of 5 bananas chopped or sliced thinly with lemon juice on it to prevent browning. This is 3 packages of instant vanilla pudding. All right, and then we have a box of Benton's vanilla wafers from Aldi's. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start just layering. Okay, so I like to start with a layer of cookies on the bottom. And you could do it any way you like. And I just like to, you know, put it in it neat. You could just pour them in. Just make sure you have enough. I have an extra box just in case I need more cookies, but I like a lot of cookies in it. So this is our first layer of cookies, and then we put on a layer of pudding to soften the cookies up. And like I say, you make this any way you want to. And I just spread them out. It doesn't have to be perfect.
So easy, even a caveman can do it.
So this is a quick and easy dessert to make, instant, no cooking required. Okay. So I just want to make sure I have enough pudding to cover all of the cookies on the first layer. Okay. So next we're gonna put on a layer of bananas. These have been chopped thin, but if you like thick, just go ahead. Make it whatever way you want to make it. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. You make it whatever way you want to. Okay.
So you're basically kind of layering it like lasagna.
Right. Okay, so this is our last layer. All right. And next I'm going to just put a layer of whipped cream on top. And then a few crushed vanilla wafers just for garnish. Okay. So this is just some Friendly Farms whipped topping from Aldi's. Okay. Use whatever brand you like. And you put on as much as you like, or as little as you like. I'm just gonna spread that on top. And you can also make your own whipped topping if you like as well. But this is supposed to be quick and easy, so just using all instant products. Okay. All right, so that's our last layer. So now we're just gonna take some of the vanilla wafer crumbs and just like to crush them up. Just sprinkle them on top, just for garnish. And you don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can put on as much as you can put on as much as you like, or as little, but it's just to garnish. Okay, so that's it. That's our instant banana pudding, all set.
So how long does it have to set?
I would let it set for at least 4 hours before serving. 24 hours would be even better for a better flavor, but at least 4 hours. Okay.
So it's gonna set in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. That's gonna make the cookies soften up, and it's gonna intensify the flavor as well. So this is a quick and easy recipe by my wife, Carrie, and we're gonna do a taste test with my son Munch. He's over there anxiously waiting. All right, so we'll be back, and we'll be back in about 4 hours. All right. So hey y'all, this is the banana pudding right here. Hopefully you can see that. The cookies are nice and soft. The whipped cream, the pudding, everything is set. And my kids already had some. And so this is my first time tasting this batch that my wife made. It's delicious, as usual. So, like I said, this is a quick and easy recipe. Instant pudding, Cool Whip, or we use the one from Aldi, and vanilla wafer cookies, and I believe that was it. Cool Whip, and obviously bananas. All right, so if you follow this recipe, quick and easy, let it sit 4 hours, you'll be all good. On that note, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell, and once again, I appreciate you for watching this video. God bless. Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Much performing the taste test for the banana pudding. Yeah, taste it. How is it?